Good morning, sir.
Madungog ra po ko, sir.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So today we will be discussing about
The computer applications in construction management. Slide.
so in here we have the outline, which is introduction, building information modeling, BMI tools, project planning and schedule tools, cost estimation and budgeting software, progress tracking and project management tools, safety management applications, quality control applications, procurement and supply chain management, emerging construction technologies, the benefits of computer applications in construction management, and then the conclusion that will be later on be discussed. Next slide.
So, introduction. Computer applications have become essential tools in modern construction management. They help engineers, architects, and managers plan, design, schedule, estimate costs, monitor progress, and ensure safety and quality. These digital tools improve accuracy, communication, and efficiency, reducing delays and errors in construction projects.
So first, what is construction management? So construction management is the process of planning, coordinating, and controlling all phases of a construction project. It ensures that projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to design specifications and quality standards. This involves managing people, materials, equipment, and finances to achieve successful project delivery. So in here, we will be discussing about the computer applications or any apps na ginagamit in civil engineering na mga works. So next slide. So here are the most common used computer applications in the construction industry. First, we have the building information modeling or BIM tools, project planning and scheduling tools, cost estimation and budgeting software, progress tracking and project management tools, safety management applications, quality control applications, procurement and supply chain management, and the emerging construction technologies. So first tool is we have the Building Information Modeling or the BMI tools. So these are used for 3D modeling, design coordination. Ay, yes po, sir. Sorry po, na-typo lang po na. Um, so again, BIM, these are tools that are used for 3D modeling, design coordination, and project visualization. So BIM allows all project participants to work on a single digital model. So these below are the most commonly used mga BIM tools in engineering. So first we have the Revit. This creates detailed 3D models that include architecture, structure, and MLP systems for accurate design coordination. Next is we have the Navisworks. This detects design complex clash detector and helps simulate the construction process. Then we have the BIM 360. This is a cloud-based platform for real-time collaboration, document management, and progress tracking. So kaning tulo, these are mo ni siya again ang mga commonly used na mga 3D modeling tools. As you can see, mga Autodesk tools ni siya that is used in engineering. So next. So next tool is we have the project planning and schedule tools. So the project planning and schedule tools, these are used for organizing tasks, managing time, and tracking progress to ensure the project finishes on schedule. So kani, common naman din siya kaayo na si Microsoft Project or MS Project. So CMS project, this is one of the most important tools in construction management. This helps plan, schedule, and track every stage of a project. So managers use it to create timelines, assign tasks, control cost, and monitor progress in real time. So kaning CMS project is I think murag nakatry mo sa tanan no sa time sa OGT di ba ka nang gipatry ta og scheduling, so CMS project nagamit gid ni siya labi na sa kanang mga scheduling, pagbuhat og mga timeline sa construction project mismo. So, the next slide. Okay, so key features. So the key features of the MS project is first we have here, creates Gantt charts to organize project schedules, tracks resources, budgets, and deadlines, compares planned versus actual progress. So katong sa kanisya usually sa mga scheduling man ni siya no katong mga accomplished na schedule and then the actual schedule. Then generates clear reports for communication, works well with other Microsoft tools like Excel and Teams. Okay, so CMS project keeps construction projects on schedule, within budget, and properly coordinated. So in here, Naatay duha ka example na sa MS project. So first we have the Primavera P6. Si Primavera P6 handles large and complex projects, allowing detailed scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management. So makita ninyo kani diri mauna siya si Primavera P6. P6. So in the background naa siya yung mga scheduling niya, but these are kanang sa mga dagko na gini siya nga project usually ginagamit kay mas detailed ang iyahang ginabuhat o mas taas siya, mas in large scale siya nga kuan nga kanang scheduling na ginagamit. Next is the Smartsheet. Si Smartsheet is a cloud-based tool for simple project tracking and collaboration. So this is ideal for smaller construction teams. So kaning si Smartsheet is pwede rin sa mga usually siya ginagamit is sa mga gamay lang nga project. Kanang mura gamay lang ing imong gina-track bitaw na mga progress or nga na siya, unlike sa kaning Primavera P6 kay binaghan na gid siya. So next
Just to
slide.
give you an idea here, there's
So
three main parts.
This is an example no sa among nami pakita nga for scheduling. Na si MS project keeps construction projects on schedule, within budget, and properly coordinated. So in this video, iyang gi-show kung unsaon pag himo sa scheduling using the MS project.
Just to give you an idea here, there's three main parts. This is the tab part, I suppose, that's the way to call it. There is a timeline part, and then there is a bottom of the screen. So the bottom of the screen is split into two components. There's one component is like a worksheet, like a Excel, if you like, where you can actually input data. And the second part of the screen is more a visualization part. It's where you will actually visualize the outcome of your scheduling work. So you don't need to take notes now. I just wanted to input a very quick project here just to show you what it looks like. Some of you might never have seen Microsoft projects, so I think that would be useful. And then I will go through the top of the screen to explain some of the key components before we get started in the 6-step process. So let's say you want to go on holidays and you need to get the approval from a manager, and after you need to do the bookings. So just for the preparation of the holidays, let's say you need to get approval from the manager first. And you estimate it's going to take you around 5 days to do this. So you just input the task and the duration. No need to take note. I will a little bit later. Then you need to decide on the destination, maybe do some investigation, so that could take you a bit longer, let's say 10 days. Those are working days, by the way. And then finally, you do the bookings, perform bookings activity, and then you have 5 days. So Microsoft Project is a product that calculates milestones of a project based on the task that you would input, task duration and task dependencies. So on the left hand side here I would input the tasks, and here that would represent the tasks on a more visual way. So this is a calendar, so you have the date here on top, so that shows you on the calendar here where are my tasks. And then here you would input the task name, you would input the duration. This is calculated automatically. So today we are the 23rd of July, so I have this here calculated automatically. And you have the predecessor, so this is where you would put your links. You would link your tasks, because obviously you cannot do the three at the same time. There is some type of dependency between the tasks. And then you can put the resource names. So no need to see how I'm doing this, it's just to show you how it works. And let's say John will do this, Mary will do this, and then John will do this. So you've noticed what I've done here is I've just linked the task and I've just allocated a resource for each one of those. by linking those tasks, I have changed the way the screen looks like. So this is a Gantt chart. So this is the way the Gantt chart would look like. It's a visualization of this task is being visualized here with an end date here. This task here is visualized here with an end date here, and then same for that one. So you would have the start date here, 23rd of July. You would have the end date calculated by Microsoft Project, the 19th of August. So that's the whole purpose of Microsoft Project in a nutshell, if you like. You input tasks, you input durations, you input dependencies. If you want to, you can also input resources. It's often used for large projects. And then you can visualize this. So you'll see there's different ways that we can visualize this. There's so many ways and there's so many components. Here it's showing the resource, but you can show so many other components. And here obviously you can have more complex dependencies and more complex formatting as well. We look at all this, but what you've seen here is you have a start date, you have an end date. The start date is visualized here, the end date is visualized here. If I want to change the amount of days, let's say I only need 3 days, so you just change 3 days here, and then it calculates automatically everything else. So that brings the end of my little project back to 10th of August. So that's it for an overview. In the next video, we will show you the top of the screen that I've left alone.
So that's it no sa iyahang a short introduction lang sa kung unsa ang gamit ni MS Project in making scheduling. So if you want to learn more for this, you're free to watch the video again na amo ang i-provide sa amo ang PPT. So that's all for my part. Then the other applications or tools will be discussed on the next reporter. So I will be passing the stage for the next topic to J. Bornia. Thank you.
Am I audible po ba, sir? So for the next subtopic, I will be reporting about cost estimation and budgeting software. Hala, wait lang. So these tools are essential for accurately estimating project costs, preparing competitive bids, and maintaining strict budget control throughout a construction project. They streamline complex calculations, reduce human error, and improve collaboration among teams. So the first software we have is PlanSwift. It performs digital takeoffs directly from blueprints, allowing estimators to quickly calculate material quantities and labor costs. Unique features include automatic measurement scaling, the ability to create custom assemblies for recurring materials, and integration with Excel for advanced reporting. Next is Bluebeam. It not only measures and annotates digital plans, but also allows for collaborative real-time editing among multiple team members. Its unique features include quantity linking to Excel, customizable markups, and the ability to track revisions and version histories for accurate cost documentation. And next is Candy CCS. It combines estimating, planning, and project control in a single platform. It stands out. Features include cash flow forecasting, work in progress reporting, and integrated project scheduling, which helps managers predict budget variances and ensure accurate resource allocation. Next subtopic is progress tracking and project management tools. So these tools enable project teams to monitor daily site activities, record progress, and assign tasks. and maintain seamless communication throughout the project lifecycle. So first software is Procore. It centralizes all project documentations, schedules, and reports in one platform. Unique capabilities include real-time dashboards, automated progress tracking, integration with subcontractor management tools, and mobile access, which allows on-site teams to update progress instantly. Next software is Fieldwire. It focuses on task management and field reporting. Excuse me. Unique features include blueprint markups, automated punch list, offline access for remote areas, and the ability to assign specific tasks to team members with deadline tracking. Lastly, we have Buildertrend. It supports contractors in managing schedules, budgets, and client communication, ensuring that projects stay on track and stakeholders are informed. The sixth subtopic is safety management applications. So these applications help maintain a safe working environment, document safety inspections, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. So first we have is iAuditor. It offers digital safety inspections with customizable templates for any construction activity. Its unique features include photo attachments for hazards, automated report generation, and trend analysis to identify recurring safety issues. Next is safety culture. It tracks audits, incident reports, and employee training compliance. Unique features include automated reminders for safety checks, real-time dashboards for incident trends, and integration with other project management software for centralized reporting. Next we have is Procore Quality and Safety. It works as a part of the Procore ecosystem, allowing inspections, incident logging, and toolbox talks to be managed alongside other project data. Its unique features is seamless integration with project schedules, enabling managers to correlate safety incidents with work phases. And next we have is the quality control applications. So these tools ensure construction work meets design specifications and regulatory standards through thorough inspections and documentation. So we have three tools. First, we have is PlanGrid. It facilitates plan reviews, punch list management, and issue tracking. Unique features include overlay comparison for revisions, automated version control, and real-time collaboration between office and field teams. Second one is Autodesk Construction Cloud. It provides a comprehensive platform combining quality, safety, and project management. Unique capabilities include AI-driven clash detection, integrated design coordination, and predictive analytics to flag potential quality risks before they occur. And lastly, we have is Fieldwire. It supports inspection management and corrective action tracking. Its unique features include customizable checklists, automatic assignment of follow-up tasks, and offline access for remote job sites, ensuring quality standards are upheld at all times. So that will be all for my part, and I will give the floor next to the reporter, which is Dana Nicole Custan.
So, good morning, everyone. Our next subtopic is the procurement and supply chain management. Next slide, please. So, procurement and supply chain management applications play and control the flow of materials, equipment, and services in construction projects. They ensure timely, accurate, and cost-efficient deliveries while allowing managers to track lang po kay RRM. Okay. So, cost of deliveries will allowing managers to track orders, monitor suppliers, and manage inventory for better project control. So the first one is the SAP. It manages purchasing, inventory, and vendor transactions to ensure timely material availability and cost control. So the second one is the Oracle Construction Cloud. It integrates procurement, delivery, and cost tracking for efficient project coordination and budgeting. Next slide, please. So our ninth subtopic is the emerging construction technologies. So emerging construction technologies are transforming how projects are designed, managed, and executed by proving safety, accuracy, and productivity, and ensures decision making. These innovations allow construction teams to collect real-time data, visualize designs, and automate processes for greater efficiency. So the first one is artificial intelligence. Analyzes project data to predict potential delays, optimize scheduling, and enhance decision making by identifying risks before they are impact progress. So the next one is drones. Capture aerial images and videos for site surveying, mapping, and progress monitoring, providing accurate, up-to-date information on project conditions. So drones is also, and na-use po din namo siya itong nag-OJT mi sa surveying namo na department. Kay mas accurate man gud if magamit og drones and mas time efficient siya. So the next one is Internet of Things. Uses smart sensors to track equipment performance, environmental conditions, and work activity, improving safety and resource management. And the fourth one is augmented reality or virtual reality. Provides immersive 3D visuals for design reviews, safety training, and virtual walkthrough to identify issues before construction starts. And the last one is the digital twins. Create a real-time virtual replica of a building or infrastructure, enabling continuous monitoring, maintenance, and performance optimization throughout the project life cycle. Our last subtopic, I know this is the second to the last subtopic, is the benefits of computer applications in construction management. The first one is improved planning, scheduling, and coordination of project activities. The next one is to enhance communication and collaboration among project stakeholders. The third one is increase accuracy in design, cost estimation, and documentation. The fourth one is provide real-time monitoring and reporting for better decision making. The fourth one is provide site safety and ensure compliance with standards. And the last one is maintain high quality workmanship and reduce project delays. And our last subtopic is the conclusion. Computer applications have transformed how construction projects are managed, from planning and design to safety and quality control. They make project management more organized, efficient, and transparent. Among all tools, Microsoft Project stands out for its practicality and reliability in scheduling and progress tracking. By integrating these computer applications, construction professionals can deliver faster, safer, and high-quality projects that meet modern industry standards. So that would be all for our report. Thank you.